Now let's add our large text over the top of this. As you can see here, I've got my background text is already worked up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and turn off all of these layers here. Well, actually, not that layer in particular. Let's turn off this one, and we'll go ahead and turn off my highlights as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just create a brand new layer over the top of that. This is going to be our new text layer for our large text. So let's hit our text tool. And let's type out. There we go. That's fine. So we'll leave it like this. We'll go back into our move tool. Let's move this around right here. Let's go ahead and enlarge this like so. There we go. And you know what? This doesn't look quite right. There's something wrong with this. I think what it is the fact that it is all in caps. So let's come down here. Let's go to character. Open our character tab. Come down here and click on this. We should go into all caps there. There we go. Go into enter, escape. Oops, let that escape. And go into V, or escape, V. There we go. Let's move this around a bit. There we go. Center it like so. Now let's looks a little short. Let's lengthen this up a bit. There we go. Just a little bit of type editing here. And there we go. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and we're going to copy this layer 3 times. All right, let's hit enter to modify our text. Let's go ahead and copy once, copy twice. Or actually, I didn't even copy it. I just made new layers. Well, let's drag it and copy it. And there we go. And we'll leave it at that. We'll pick it up for the next part.